this strategically.
What's up, everybody? I'm here with Aaron from Lazyronstudios and Josh Elkin from The Josh Elkin. And today we are attempting the 2x spicy ramen challenge. This is actually us after we finished it. Introducing it now. Find out how we got here. Alright, this is it. This is the hot chicken flavor ramen challenge. 2x spicy, 2x multiplier. The combo is just starting. Are you ready, Josh? Josh was added to this challenge extra late.
I didn't mentally nor physically prepare for this, so.
Bulls up.
Bulls
Cheers. Up. Eyes. Eyes.
Wait, so what does the winner get? You have to have like a reason to win.
$50.
Really?
Yeah. I'm sweating smelling it. Oh well. All right. Well, bombs up, boys.
Yeah. I'm going one at a time.
Oh no.
Or maybe that's not the move. Maybe the move is to just shove it all Furious Pete style.
My back just started sweating. You know
That's
what?
Right away.
This is tasty.
What's it taste about?
It's really tasty, but like it's getting worse by the way every second. Ugh.
Trying to do this strategically.
It's coming out of every pore. You see this right now?
Yeah, it's really intense.
Yeah.
It's really tasty. Whoa. Is this a race?
$50, man, for me.
Is it a race
It's
though?
my $50. This is my show. Oh, I'm almost done.
Dang it.
Oh wait.
What did we just do?
You win. I didn't swallow yet.
You won.
Congrats. Please. Give me some intestines.
Do I have to keep going?
No, you're good. I can't do this to you, Josh. Wow, you ate a lot of that, bro.
Sorry.
What's in this?
Ice.
Water?
Ice, ice, ice.
I don't know what the big deal is.
Wait, that's a really good idea. All right, that was the ramen challenge. Thank you so much, Aaron, for coming by and championing, I don't know, what is this, your 8th hot food challenge at this point in your life?
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out Josh Elkin at The Josh Elkin and Aaron at Lazyronstudios. We'll see you next time. Please, if there's a better challenge for us to do that doesn't involve that much pain, leave a comment below. Please tell us. We'd love to know. Bye, friends.
Toodaloo.